Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will take a quick look at the Unchained Capital Crypto Wallet, which is a secure Bitcoin wallet that is designed for long-term storage with advanced features like multi-signature security. So if you are considering it in 2025, this is what you need to know. So the Unchained Capital Wallet is a Bitcoin only wallet that prioritizes security through multi-signature technology. It requires at least 2 out of 3 keys in order to approve any transaction, making it highly secure and resistant to hack. Now, this wallet is ideal for the users who want complete control over their Bitcoin with added support from the Unchained Capital. Now let's talk about some of the features that it offers. So you hold two keys while Unchained Capital holds one, ensuring that you stay in control. Second thing, it works seamlessly with the ledger and treasure for the added cold storage security. It offers expert assistance while keeping your assets safe, and you can use your Bitcoin as collateral without selling it, so a standout feature for the investors. Now, let's just quickly take a look at the pros and cons of Unchained Crypto Wallet. So, if I talk about the pros, you will get top notch security with multi signature technology. It will keep you in control of your Bitcoin while offering expert support. There is hardware wallet integration that ensures the extra security, and you can access liquidity through the Bitcoin based loans. Now, there are some cons of this wallet. So, the first con is that it only supports Bitcoin, that limits the versatility, and it may feel overwhelming for beginners due to the multi signature setup. So, in a nutshell, the Unchained Capital Crypto Wallet is perfect for serious Bitcoin holders seeking unparalleled security and control. While it is not a beginner friendly or multi currency, its advanced features and Bitcoin loans make it a standout option in 2025. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.